Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how I only swing trade for a couple of hours every single week and how I plan out my week so I can be successful in the market. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this guy on YouTube? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, my approach, everything when it comes to swing trading. It's awesome. We got private live streams, we got, group chat, we got quizzes, lectures. If you want to take swing trading seriously, check out our school. You will not regret it. Guys, let's jump into this here because I'm super excited. A lot of people always ask me, they say, Carter, how do you plan out your week? Do you set alerts? Do you hop in on positions? So we're gonna be breaking it down. So I hope you guys all enjoy it, and let's jump into this here. So the first thing we do is looking at stocks with opportunity. I went ahead, saved us some time, and I found really the greatest stocks this week for opportunity. Now, the biggest thing with swing trading, choose high quality picks. Choose high quality stocks that meet your strategy. So in order to do that, we actually have to have a checklist. Now, I use a trading journal. You can use a 99-cent journal from the dollar store, but having a paper, having something where you can go through on each stock and making sure it follows your strategy here. So looking at this one here, the approach and mindset I have with it is going to be a 200-day moving average play. You guys can see in the past, it's used it as support, and we have gotten good buying pressure there. Now, right now, you guys can see the stock's trading for near and around $15.50. So we do have this general upward trend, as you guys can see. Let's go ahead and draw it out here and see if we have some sort of trend line, which we do. Now, if the stock sells down to about 14, in the $14 range, boom, that's a good opportunity. And the reason why is because it's right on that trend line. So being prepared, right? It's always better to it's always better to be prepared than unprepared. So just when in doubt, set an alert. You won't regret it. Okay. The next thing here, like I said, 200-day moving average play, we need to look at the RSI. The RSI right now is trading for a 40, which could pretty much be a little more premium for the stock. And the reason why is because the last time it was trading for a 40 was back in here where we had more sell-off here, as you guys can see. So let's go ahead and look at it here. Boom, let's draw it out. 40. Okay, and here, yes, we've had some good moves in the past, but in general, it hits 40 and continues to dip down. I would classify anything under a 30 as an undervalued point for the stock. So the next thing, look at the hourly. You guys can see there's no support. It's sold off down below the moving average line. So we're going to continue to sit on the sidelines for this one, but maybe draw out another trend line here to see if we can find some support. So this is what we do. We go in and we actively look for opportunity. We don't make excuses. We follow our checklist. So let's go ahead and go through them. 1, stock on an upward trend. 2, support. It could be a price, indicator, moving average line. Next, RSI under a 30. The next, earnings. You never want to hold during an earnings, and I'll show you how to find recent, when the next upcoming earnings is. Risk and reward. Obviously, with this one here, it really wasn't following our strategy, so we didn't even draw that out. And then the last thing is stock price. Is it on a support line, our lower time frame support? So this one here really wasn't a good play here. I think a good entry would be down here at about this $14 range because it would be more undervalued on the RSI. It would have better support, so that's why we went ahead and set an alert there. Moving on to the next play. Next play here is ticker symbol FWONK. Looking at this stock here, do we have an upward trend? Obviously, yes. We have this short-term upward trend, as you guys can see. And actually, one of the things here is it does have a nice trend line. It hits it each and every time we've gotten good buying pressure. It's right on that moving average line. The RSI is trading for 38. 38 for this stock. Let's kind of see and look back here. Boom, boom. So we're going in. 38. Last time was in here where we had that good move. Previous to that, sold off down to a 32, but we still had that good move. Previous. Okay, so a 38, is still a good point for this stock. The stock has tendencies of getting a little more growth which will have a little higher RSIs. So I want to actually go ahead and look at the hourly time frame. Looking at the hourly, you guys could see that it does sell off down below these moving average lines. And recently, okay, it does look like it could be finding some support. So setting an entry here at 73, setting stops at 72, risking $1. Let's go ahead and remove the RSI so we can draw it out a little better. Hopping in there, let's go ahead, boom, boom, boom. Hopping in here, setting our stop. We could even set our stop around here. Our target up here at old resistance. Risk and reward is about 4-to-1. And obviously, I would wait a little longer to see if we can get some confirmation on that support. But this is what we look for. Looking for those opportunity plays, looking for it, making sure it's following our strategy here. The next thing is ticker symbol BJ. You guys can see that it's been selling off down below these moving average lines very, very strong, right? Hitting it, getting sell off, hitting it, sell off. So now looking at the daily upward trend, sold off down to the 90-day moving average line. Looking at the RSI, it's trading for about a 29. So this one here could have a possible reversal here coming soon. Let's go ahead and make sure we got that upward trend, which obviously I think we already know we do. Boom, boom. Has a good trend line as such. Could enter here at 83, set stops at 81 to see if we can get a push back up to 92. This trade would give a very, very, very good risk and reward. Like such, boom, boom. Yeah, about 3-to-1, which is pretty solid, 3.85. So that's pretty good. So now looking at the hourly, you guys could see that it's just been selling off. So what I would do here is I would I'll draw out my trend like such. And if we can get a breakout above some of these trend lines, could be a good entry point. Next one here is ticker symbol MMS. This one here is trading. Let's go ahead and get our indicators back up. Trading on the 90-day moving average line. The RSI is trading at about a 37, a little higher. Obviously, you don't need to have it be under 30, but if you're trying to grow a small account, I would highly, highly recommend it here. But let's move on here. So it's trading on the RSI, which we know it has support there in the past, as you guys can see where it hit it and we got that good buying pressure. The risk and reward is going to be very good because of this steep sell-off. It looks like due to an earnings report. Now, let's go back and let me see if I can show you how to find a recent earnings here. Now, looking at it, you're going to want to go to quotes right here. So the earnings is going to be 8/22/2024. So you got to go to the quotes tab. And guys, I'm on Moomoo. I'll put them down below. They're awesome. If you want to take trading seriously, I highly recommend Moomoo. They're really, really good. But looking at this one here, where are we at? MMS. Trading down on the 90-day moving average line. Could see a nice move going forward. Obviously, this one here does have a good long-term upward trend, sold off down to the 200-day moving average line. Now, this one here does look like we've gotten tendencies in the past of getting good buying pressure there. What I would do is look at that hourly time frame, right? You guys can see it's just been selling off, so we would want some sort of breakout or some sort of support. Next one here. Huge sell-off due to an earnings. It does look like it did find some decent support here, as you guys can see. It hits it, gotten some good buying pressure there. I would wait a little bit longer just due to this huge steep sell-off before entering, even though it's trading on that 200-day moving average line, and we'll probably get that good move. I would wait a little bit, especially the next day, to see what's going on here. But if it does have some hourly support, obviously, then you could execute a good trade. So guys, in order to be a successful trader, it's all about doing research beforehand. It's always better to be prepared. It's always easier to have opportunities set than trying to find plays and hop in on random stocks. So the biggest thing, guys, if you want to learn how to find these plays, check out our school. They're awesome. It's super affordable. And guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed it. If you guys are new to the channel, Carter, my name's Carter. I'm very, very happy that you guys are here with us, hanging out with us. So I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your weekend. Take care, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good one.